Ever wish you could clone yourself to handle all your social media marketing? What if I told you AI could be the next best thing? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of automating social media marketing with AI. Imagine effortlessly crafting engaging posts, perfectly timing your content for maximum reach, and understanding your audience on a deeper level, all without the manual grind. That's the power of AI in social media, and we're going to explore how it can revolutionize your workflow and amplify your results. The transformative power of AI in social media AI tools are no longer futuristic concepts. They're here, providing immense benefits by enhancing efficiency, boosting productivity, and enabling highly personalized campaigns. Think about the sheer volume of tasks involved in social media: content creation, scheduling, audience research, engagement, analytics, and reporting. Each one is crucial, but together, they can be overwhelming. This is where AI steps in as your superpower to content creation, your creative co-pilot. Let's start with content. The heart of any social media strategy, AI is transforming how we generate and optimize content. Text generation. Forget writer's block. AI writing assistants can brainstorm countless content ideas, draft compelling captions, craft engaging ad copy, and even write entire blog posts. They can suggest relevant hashtags, add emojis for emotional impact, and even tailor the tone of voice to match your brand. Tools like Copy, Jasper, and Writer are leading this charge, helping you produce high-quality, on-brand text at speed. Visual optimization, but it's not just about words. Visuals are paramount on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. AI design tools can help you optimize images, generate variations, remove backgrounds, or even create stunning graphics from text prompts. Some even help you identify which visual elements perform best with your audience. This means your content not only reads well but also looks incredibly professional and appealing. Video editing, even video creation, is getting an AI upgrade, with tools that can automatically generate subtitles, cut clips, or suggest transitions, making video production accessible even to those without extensive editing experience. Smart scheduling and optimization, reaching the right people at the right time. Once your content is ready, getting it in front of the right eyes at the optimal moment is crucial. Intelligent scheduling. AI analyzes vast amounts of data, including past performance, audience activity patterns, and platform algorithms, to recommend the absolute best times to post for maximum visibility and engagement. No more guessing games. Platforms like Hootsuite and Buffer are integrating these AI-driven insights, moving beyond simple scheduling to truly intelligent publishing. Content curation. AI can also act as your personal content curator, sifting through millions of articles, news stories, and trending topics to suggest relevant content you can share, ensuring your feeds stay fresh and engaging. Even when you're short on original ideas, deeper audience understanding, personalization at scale. One of AI's most powerful applications is its ability to understand your audience on a granular level. Sentiment analysis. AI can analyze comments, messages, and mentions to gauge public sentiment about your brand or products. Are people happy, frustrated, or neutral? This invaluable feedback allows you to quickly address concerns or capitalize on positive trends. Demographic and behavioral insights. Beyond basic demographics, AI can identify intricate patterns in user behavior, preferences, and interests. This allows for hyper-segmentation of your audience, meaning you can create highly targeted campaigns that resonate deeply with specific groups, leading to significantly higher engagement and conversion rates. Imagine running an ad campaign specifically for people who are interested in sustainable fashion and live in your city. AI makes this level of precision